Before we step away from adding and subtracting fractions, I want to take a look at how the stack method of finding the least common denominator is actually a very helpful method. At the end of our last video, we added 7 over 24 plus 11 over 36. And we needed to find the least common denominator of those. And we did it with the Venn diagram method, which works great. But if you're not a fan of the Venn diagram method, look what the stack method does for us. If we have 24 and 36, I can see both of those are divisible by 2, because they're both even. Leaves behind 12 and 18. Both of those are still even, so I can divide by 2. Leaves behind 6 and 9. They're not even anymore, but they're both divisible by 3. And that leaves behind 2 and 3. When I divide out those using the stack method. What's really nice about the stack method, though, is when I'm adding fractions, it tells me the denominator with 24 needs to be multiplied by the diagonal number of 3. So I'm going to multiply the denominator of 24 by 3 over 3. The denominator of 36 needs to be multiplied by 2. I'm going to multiply by 2 over 2. When I do that, 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 24 is 72, plus 2 times 11 is 22, over 2 times 36 is 72. And look at that. It gives me a common denominator. We're ready to add those together to get 43 out of 72 for our final answer. So just a little tip with the stack method and adding fractions is sometimes it makes it very easy to get the common denominator because the stack method tells you exactly what to multiply by taking that denominator and multiplying it by the number that's diagonal from it in the stack.